Hi. So, for a maths thing I want you to do today is I want you to make some ramps for some wheeled objects that you might have, like a car or a digger or a pram. If you're using a pram, it'll have to be something quite big, won't it, as a ramp? So a ramp is a little bit like a slide for a vehicle. Okay, now Mrs. Wilson's having problems videoing this today, so you'll have to bear with me. So I'm going to find something for my little truck to go down. And then I'm going to put his friend, the car, down the same ramp. And I'm going to see who goes the furthest. Right, so down here, I've got a rug because I'm hoping that everything doesn't go too far. And I've decided that I might as well use some of the things I've used for something else this week. So I've decided to use a Malteser box. So do you know what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to put my car down, where is it? The Malteser box, and see how far it goes. Whee! Oh, okay. So that's where the car has gone. And now I'm going to use my forklift truck, if I can find it. Oh, where's he gone? Forklift truck, okay. And he's going to go down the Malteser box. Oh, and see who's gone the furthest. Can you see who's gone the furthest? It's the red car, isn't it? Now, I'm hoping that some of you might have some rulers or something at home. So I've borrowed a ruler and it's got numbers on it. And it goes all the way up to 30, and that's centimetres. So I'm just going to do a quick job in my construction outfit, and I'm going to see how far the red car has gone. So the red car has gone 21 centimetres. Now, my other didn't go as far, did it? So let's see how far it went. Oh, it's only gone 11 centimetres. So which one went the furthest? The red car. That means you're the winner, red car. Yeah, I'm the winner. Woo, woo, woo. Right, I'm going to make a ramp using something else. Now, you might make a really big ramp, and you might have a really heavy car, and they might go a really long way. I cheated. I put my rug on the floor so they wouldn't go very far. But if they go further than a ruler or something that you've got to measure, do you know how you could measure how far they've gone? You could use your footsteps. So you could put one foot in front of the other, like that. I know that's my hands, not my feet. But I've got my big fluffy slippers on to keep my feet warm, so that doesn't look very good. And you could count how many footsteps the first car went, and then how many footsteps the next one did, or how many footsteps the pram did, or how many footsteps the roller skates go. So I'm going to use something else for... Oh, I've got box shredded wheat. I'm going to use that for my ramp. Do you think my cars will go further? Let's have a look. Oh, I don't think they will. It's a bit of a short ramp, that one, isn't it? So are you ready? I'm going to go with the car first. He's going to fall off, isn't he? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, Mrs. Wilson, your ramp didn't work at all. Well, that was pretty rubbish, wasn't it? Well, let's see what else we've got instead. Oh, I'll use 2 books. Right, so I'm going to do the red car first. Oh, he went quite a long way, look, can you see? Right, let's see. Where's my forklift truck? Here it is. Are you ready, forklift? Whoa, they both went about the same, can you see? I don't think the red car went any further this time. Shall I just measure it and check? Right, let's see. So from the bottom of the ramp, it went 27. And from the bottom of the ramp, the forklift went 26. So which was the biggest number? Who won? It's a red car again, wasn't it? Well, maybe forklifts aren't made for going fast. Forklifts are made for doing really good jobs and moving things around, aren't they? And this car's made for going fast. Yeah, sister, I like going fast. Okay, so I know that video wasn't fantastic. It's a bit tricky. But I'm sure that your grown-ups might be able to take a picture of you making some ramps and measuring how far your cars or your wheeled objects go. Okay, have fun with your ramp making. Bye!